In this video, I'll show you how to add tags to your GoDaddy store. First of all, you need to log into GoDaddy and then you need to look for store in the left-hand side menu and go to the settings. Right here, we need to click tags. And first of all, we need to enable the tags. So let's click this enable button right here. And now we can manually add tags to our products. So let's click add. And now we need to choose the region. For example, I live in Georgia. I will choose Georgia. And then you can start adding the tags for different categories. For example, there is 20% tax in my country, so I will put 20% right here. And also don't forget about these two options. My product prices already include the tax. You can make the tick right here if they already includes the tax, and you can also charge tax on shipping. Then you need to click the save button, and that's all. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.